They are dressed up in our very typical national costume. This is our national dress. The flowers and the feathers on the head symbolizes about how our people were fond of killing and hunting in the previous years in the history of Zomi. Actually, this dance is a kind of celebration when we kill big animals or enemies whatsoever. People are happy, celebrating what they have done, very proudly dancing with feathers of eagle and other animals on the head of the hero man, dancing with knife and dowel. The drum is a very typical traditional drum of Zomi people. The music means we are celebrating what we have killed, what we have done, what we have caught. We are very proud of what we have done, what we could have achieved. I am a very brave man. I am a hero of the people. That is the meaning of the music, what we call in our language, Pila. We are drinking Zomi traditional wine. Anyway, I don't think that I will get drunk tonight. This is the real lifestyle of our people. What most enjoyable is to trust God. That is the new life of so many people now. We are presently.
Amen.
song means there were darkness. The land was filled with darkness. But the gospel, the light of the gospel has shined upon us. And we now could see the glory of God. We praise God. The Lord will bless us. Our forefathers worship evil spirit and Satan, but present generation worships the living God, Jesus Christ. Let the God we worship be happy, be satisfied upon us, and let Satan and the darkness get out of our land.
Hello. Zola tu ni na, Zomi te pa toy na ay manina, Zola khat kong saminga.